Alright folks, we got some puppies here. I think they're 9 days old. We got the 4 boys here in the corner. And we got the 3 girls right here. I'll go ahead and do the girls. Right now it looks like she's the biggest. I think her name's gonna be Jury. As of right now, she's already reserved. Then we got the 2 blue females. One's got a white mark on her nose. The other has an all white or all blue face, rather. All blue paws. Got a little bit of white on the chest. I can do the camera better. All of them are super big. Getting plenty of milk. There's only 7 of them. Alright. Now we got the males. Oh. This is probably the biggest male. Right here. He's all wrinkly. He's got the all blue face. And then here's a male. He's got the white mark on his face. Looks like his daddy a lot. Here's the next blue male. He's probably second biggest. Looks much like the first blue male. And we got the last one. He's the white blue male. He's the smallest in the litter. He's gonna be beautiful. A little bit of blue, 2 little blue dots. Looks like another blue dot might come right there. But that's the litter, 9 days old. Those sweethearts, they're tired right now. Man, they're gonna be running around here in a few weeks.